Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ishan Ali, and today I am going to tell you about the novel Most Smoke, which is written by a Pakistani writer Mohsin Hamid in 1998. So, first of all, I want to tell you about if you read the novel thoroughly, then you will be able to understand the lecture. So, let's start. First of all, I am going to tell you about the characters. So first main and important character of this novel is Daru. Daru is a criminal because he involved in different types of activities like drug smuggling, murder cases and robbery. So he also belongs to a middle class family because he was not a rich person and he has no money to spend. He also worked for a bank, means he was a employee in a bank before his criminal record. And here is the next point, is very important point in the character of Daru. He falls in love with the wife of his friend. So if we see it practically in our society, it's a bad thing. So he was also a direct drug addict and it is also against our constitution and law and order. So he was also a narrator of this novel because what are the happenings and how the things are going on in this novel. So we can say he is the teller of the story. So next, dealer. He also deals with Murad Badshah in smuggling of drugs and heroin. So next character is Mumtaz. It is very interesting character in this novel. She is the wife of Ozzy. She lives in America with his husband. So she belongs to a elite class family. That's why she live in America. She lives in America. She falls in love with Daru. It's also a bad thing because she already married with Ozzy. She was a journalist and her name was Zulfikar Mento in investigation. When the Daru when was Daru in the prison and she investigated the case of Daru. Next character is very important character of this novel and major character Aurangzeb Ozzy. Everything is money near to him. He also believes that he can do everything with the power of money. And he is also the husband of Mumtaz. He lives in America for study purposes because he also belongs to elite class and afford all the expenses in America, so that's why he lives in America with his wife Mumtaz. Friend of Daru, son of a corrupt person. His father was corrupt person. His name was Uncle Khurram. So next character is Murad Badshah. Murad Badshah is also a drug dealer. Means we can say that he is the financier, facilitator, and supporter of Daru. But as well as he was loyal with Daru because when Daru was in the jail or in the prison, he saves his shares. Next, he was also MA pass student, but unfortunately faces unemployment. So that's why he was rickshaw driver in this novel. So here are the minor characters of the novel. The first one is Malik. Malik is basically a customer when he comes to Daru in the bank and he asks from Daru about his check, but unfortunately his check was delayed. So that's why they quarrel with each other and use bitter words for each other. And next one is Menaki. Menaki is a loyal servant of Daru. And Mozam. Mozam is son of Ozi and as well as Mumtaz. And next one is Heather. Heather is the supporter of Daru as like Murad Badshah. So here is the summary of this novel. So story start from this point, Daru in the prison and not ready to commit his crime. In other words, we can say that a person arrested by police and he is not ready to commit his crime and saying again and again, I didn't do this. So next one is Daru perspective. As I have already told you, he is the narrator and he explained the happenings and how the things are going in this novel. So next one is Daru visit to an old friend. It is also important point. When he visit to old friend Ozzy, he becomes jealous from his wealth, his way of living style, and even his wife, beautiful wife, from his beautiful wife. So next point is jobless. Because Daru has a rude behavior, so that's why he loses his job because he has no good behavior with customers. So next one is drug dealing and trade. So after losing his job, Daru deal with drugs and trade with the help of Murad Badshah and Heather. So next, heroin smuggling. They all are also involved in heroin smuggling. Next one is AIDS adds fuel to fire. So here is the condition of Daru. He is not able to pay electricity and AC bills. So that's why he is near to begging. So next point explain here by Mohsin Hamid is a class difference. So Daru realizes the difference between his elite class friends and between him and gets more depressed and disappointed by observing all the situation. So next point is hit and run. When Ozzy hit the boy on the bicycle and ran away, but at that point, Daru arrested by the police. Next, effects of the Mumtaz married life because she falls in love with Daru and it is not good for both of them. So next is losing respect. When Daru sail when Daru to a young brother to a young boy and he is beaten by his father on this act. So he loses his respect according to narrator. So next one is robbery. So because Daru wants to become a wealthy person, so he comes to bank for robbery and at the end he shoots the boy. Arrest. Now here is the confusion between the readers because he arrested due to hitting the boy by Ozzy, not for killing the boy in the bank. So next point is Ozzy and Mumtaz. She leaves him because she starts to hate him because of his corrupt wealth and heartless mind. Next point is investigate. Zulfikar Manto investigate the case of Daru and research is read by Daru. Here the story ends with incomplete end according to the narrator. So at the end, because Murad Badshah was loyal with Daru, so he saves his shares of money and expects him to get out soon from prison and will be able to get his money from him. So here are the themes of this novel. The first one is self destruction. So destruction related to Daru and Mumtaz because everything Daru do is is cause of self destruction and similarly Mumtaz because she also falls in love with the Daru. Next is rivalry. Rivalry means every person wants to become a wealthy person and he wants to get everything of the world. So next materialism. Everyone likes materialism because he wants to happy and like money, and he wants to use the power of everything. Next point is class conflict. So there are two types of class conflict: air conditioned and non-air conditioned class. Here Mumtaz and Ozi belongs to air conditioned class, but Murad Badshah and Daru and other characters like Haider, they belongs to a non-air conditioned class. Next is power, greed and lust. So Daru has lust for Mumtaz and money, and Ozi has proud of money, and Murad Badshah has greed to be rich and wealthy. So these all characters are in power, greed, and lust. So next theme is unemployment. As you people know, unemployment is very important in our country, because especially in government departments. So it's a important theme. Daru and Murad Badshah and their criminal life, because they both are criminal. So addiction. Daru is addicted to heroin, and Ozi and Mumtaz also used to smoke, and Murad Basha also involved in such type of activities because he is the supporter, facilitator and financer of the Daru. So next, money talks in Pakistan, and this is I think reality. So when Daru bribes police to let him free, and when Ozzy says he can compensate to the family of killed by. So from these two examples, you can judge how money talks in Pakistan. So thank you so much all of you and for your cooperation, and I am waiting for your feedback. So thank you so much. I hope you will like it. Thank you so much.